Good morning and welcome to Barely Homesteading. This week we're going to be working on the goat fencing, the pasture fencing a little bit more. The fencing has been working out fine, don't get me wrong, it's been great since the last upgrade we made. The problem that we're having is that the goats have been standing on this gate and have loosened this pole, and so before it gets too bad I want to strengthen it. I'm going to put in another wooden post with some cross beams and getting that nice and tight so that this post has some support. And then we'll attach the gate to that post that we put in today. So let's get started. Okay, we don't have a T-post puller, so we're going to do a makeshift lever with another T-post using the plate at the bottom to link onto the knobs on the T-post that's in the ground. Alright, so we got the new support for the gates in, the new gate is in, and it's a solid, actually more solid than it's ever been, so we're really happy with that. And goats aren't getting out, which is even a bigger plus. And you can actually see the sheep over there in the distance.
Okay, so down here, we dug the hole and we pulled out rich, beautiful, dark dirt. I find that a little bit depressing, as up in our garden and up near the house, it's sand and rock, and more rocks, and more sand.
And clay.
Okay, but somewhere on our property at least, we have some good soil. Goats will sure enjoy that soil or something.
So to install these hanger bolts, a long box end wrench works really well to be able to get leverage to be able to twist them into the hole. Now, while we were upgrading the other gate, we decided to come down and put in a drive-through gate. Eventually, we're going to put in a driving bridge over the culvert so that we can actually drive vehicles over here, and so we needed a gate. And since we were cutting into the fence anyway and doing that, it seemed like a perfect time to put this gate in. And so you can see that we've got H braces on either side, nice and stable. Because we've got the electric fence that we needed to tie in, we actually have a spring-loaded line here, you can see, to get the electricity to that section of the fencing. And so it's starting to rain on us. Yay! And so everything's looking really good over here. We got one section right here of the fencing looks a little loose.
I'm sorry about that. I'm not quite as strong as you are.
That's okay. I'm going to be taking a shower here soon, so I won't be as strong either. All right, so another weekend, another project done. Happy with the upgrades that we made to our fencing, and we think this will be a big benefit for keeping the goats and the sheep in. And now that we've got this done, we can actually get our loafing shed ordered so that they've got shelter for the winter. So with that, this is Lumberjack and Mama Bear saying use it up, wear it out, make it do without. For Barely Homesteading, thank you for joining us, and please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.